Okay, so we have here the lab activity for the fecal culture for isolation and identification of your coliforms. So this lab activity would allow you to culture your fecal sample, or it could also be coming from your rectal swab for identification of your coliforms, or even for some bacteria which try to cause here your gastroenteritis. But this one is for the coliforms. For the so since this one is for the coliform, we're expecting here that what's being grown for that is your gram-negative bacilli, which are your Enterobacteriaceae. So procedure for that, so we have your inoculate your slow sample here into your culture media in the form of your EMB or even your McConkey agar. Okay, try to perform your clock streaking. Okay, then try to incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. And after that one, try to observe for the colony growth characteristics. Again, if what is being grown on that is your Escherichia coli, expect that one to have here your greenish metallic sheen. Then from your quadrant 4, what you have that will be the presence of your isolated pure colony. From there, you try to pick and try to inoculate to your selenite F broad medium. Okay, then try to observe for the turbidity. So if you're able to grow on your selenite F, so this will be your non-lacto fermenter. And from there, from your broad medium, you try to perform your biochemical reactions. So you could have here your INVIC reaction, H2S production in your triple sugar ion agar that will help you identify your microorganism. Another one, so you can also perform here the gram stain for you to really identify and try to correlate all the results with the morphology under the microscope and even the biochemical reaction. Okay, so that's this for the, so this is all for this activity. Okay, so this would help you identify the present coliform in your fecal sample. Okay, thank you.